Hi, in this video I'll be covering some basic form apBuilder navigation. Let's get started. Access the Form apBuilder by clicking the droplet icon in the upper right of a form and selecting the Form apBuilder button from the drop-down menu that appears. The Form apBuilder opens in a new window. If the form you are opening is a baseline form, you will see this pop-up window. Caseworthy won't allow you to make any changes. You will need to make a copy of the form, which will then be a custom form that you can edit. In the upper left header bar of the Form apBuilder are several buttons. The Form Management button looks like a file folder. From the Form Management pop-up, you can start the process of creating a new form from scratch. Copy the current form to use as a basis of your new custom form, or delete the current form. To create a new form from scratch, or more commonly, to copy the current form to use as the basis of your new custom form, click on the Create a Copy of this Form button. The Copy Form pop-up displays. Change the new form's name to what you want and click Copy Form. When you do, the system creates the new form and presents it to you in the apBuilder. You can tell because the form ID changes in the URL. Baseline forms have IDs less than 1 billion, and custom form IDs are greater than 1 billion. The Lineage tab provides the current form's lineage, what form it was based on and what form that form was based on, all the way back to an original form. You can review changes that have been made to the form under the Revision History tab, when the change was made and by whom, and a short description of the change. The Usages tab displays navigation paths indicating where the form is used in the system. The Save Changes button looks like a floppy disk. It only appears if the form is a custom form. From here, you can save your changes and close the apBuilder, refreshing the form. Save your changes and leave the apBuilder open to continue editing the form. It's a good idea to use the Save and Keep Editing option frequently so you don't lose any work in the case of an unexpected exit from the application. Or cancel the changes you made and exit the apBuilder. The Form Properties button looks like a text bubble with a lowercase I in it. This opens the Form Properties pop-up. This is where you can edit the form properties like the form name, form type, form display name, and many others. The form properties change with relation to the form type. Some are common to all 3 form types, some are common to only 2 of the 3, and some are only available for 1 form type. I will cover form properties more fully in other videos. The Validation Rules button is a green check mark. The Validation Rules pop-up allows you to create rules that control the properties of fields on the form. Things like whether the field is required or visible or read-only. This is useful when you only want fields to show up if certain values are entered into a trigger field. The last header button is the Export Form button, a green arrow pointing downward. When you click it, the current form is exported as an XML file to your hard drive. It can then be uploaded into another database using the Caseworthy Object Import functionality. Let's move down a level in the Form apBuilder window. There are 2 tabs under the header bar, Design View and Data View. Just to the left of the Design View tab is the Database icon. When you hover over the database icon, the Data panel slides open. All the tables used by the form are shown here. You can click on a table name to reveal the columns in that table. The Design View tab shows the layout of the form, including placement of the fields, top of page buttons, middle of page buttons, bottom of page buttons, and many other types of form elements. The Data View tab shows the parameters and tables associated with the form and any relationships between the tables. More rules used to filter the data can be added by clicking on the funnel icon. Tables can be added to the form or removed from it using the Add Table button and the red dot icon. You can even add columns to a table by clicking on the plus sign icon or create an entirely new table by clicking on the Create Table icon. In the next video of this series, I will discuss briefly the different types of forms used in Caseworthy. Join me for video 2, Overview of Form Types.